How to fix Bluetooth icon not showing in Windows 11. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to bring back the Bluetooth icon to your taskbar in Windows 11. It's super easy, super quick. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, click the start menu at the bottom of your screen and then click on the settings icon. And once you are in the settings, head over to the Bluetooth and devices and then click on devices right underneath. And now from here simply scroll all the way down until you see more Bluetooth settings. So simply click on that and this will bring up a smaller windows called Bluetooth settings. So here at the bottom you'll see a checkbox that says show the Bluetooth icon in the notification area. So go ahead and check that box. And after that simply click apply and OK. Now close out everything and down in the taskbar simply click on the little arrow to open the system tray and boom, your Bluetooth icon should be right there. Super simple to fix and now you have got a quick access to your Bluetooth settings again. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos.